Hey folks, we're live at Heartland Motor Speedway. It's shiny today, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna be driving through the grass and there's gonna be bombs and things, so get ready. It's gonna be great. Because it's battle mode. This is pretty easy. Nothing's gonna stop me. Buddy, are you even trying? I can dodge these things anywhere. I'm the best. I can do this anywhere. Whoa! I'm to lightning. I'm so fast. I'm throwing bombs in this mode. I'm so fast. I feel like I'm faster than Flash. You see how I did that I'm doing great. You see this jump? I can do this I can do this I learned this from my friend David, the world's best backwards driver. I'm learned this anyway. Final lap. Let's do this. You think you can take it? Wow! Best race ever.